Hey guys, my bike check. For bar ends, I've got Odyssey bar ends. I've got Edwin delarosa grips. I've got Stay Strong lock-on clamps. I did have the Stay Strong grips, but they're really shit. I've got WETHEPEOPLE bars. I've got Odyssey elementary stem. I've got a first top cap, never heard of it, but oh well. I've got a Salt headset, WETHEPEOPLE Trust 2010 frame, Fit forks, Salt pitch raw tyre. I've got Superstar duty rim in gold, laced to demolition and anarexia hub. I've got primo spokes and nipples. I've got a fit down low sprocket and Salt cranks. Odyssey twisted PC pedals, very good pedals. I've got a KMC chain. For a seat, I've got Odyssey Senior 2 white seat, Salt pivotal seat post, Odyssey Mr. Clampy, Odyssey Klite tyre, Odyssey Hazard light rim, Primo mix cassette, 8 tooth, front sprockets 22 tooth, and yeah, that's my bike check guys, hope you enjoyed it.